The jewel wasp stings a cockroach's brain, turning it into a zombie unable to escape. It then lays an egg on the roach, which serves as live food for its larva. This eerie process starts with the wasp delivering a precise sting to the cockroach's thorax to briefly paralyze it. Then, with surgical accuracy, it delivers a second sting directly into the roach's brain, specifically targeting areas that control escape reflexes. The cockroach, still alive and fully capable of movement, simply loses the will to flee. It becomes a passive, obedient host. The wasp then leads it by the antenna like a leash and guides it into a burrow. There, the wasp lays a single egg on the roach's abdomen and seals the burrow shut. In a few days, the egg hatches, and the larva begins feeding, slowly, carefully, keeping the cockroach alive for as long as possible to ensure fresh meat. Only when the larva is ready to pupate does it finally kill the host. This horror movie scenario isn't just brutal, it's a chilling example of how evolution has equipped some creatures with nightmarish precision. The jewel wasp's venom even alters specific neurochemicals, effectively hacking the roach's brain. In the natural world, survival strategies can be beautiful, bizarre, or, like this one, utterly terrifying. Venus flytraps can count. They only snap shut after detecting 2 touches within 20 seconds, showing primitive logic. This surprising trait helps them conserve energy and avoid false alarms. These fascinating carnivorous plants, native to subtropical wetlands in the Carolinas, have evolved a clever trap mechanism. Each leaf has tiny, sensitive hairs. When an insect touches one hair, the plant doesn't react right away. But if a second hair is touched within about 20 seconds, the trap snaps shut. This timing ensures the movement is likely caused by a real insect, not wind or raindrops. Once the trap closes, the Venus flytrap continues counting. If the prey continues to move, stimulating more hairs, the plant knows it's alive and begins releasing digestive enzymes. After digesting the insect over about 5 to 12 days, the trap reopens, ready to repeat the cycle. This primitive counting mechanism isn't true math, but it shows that plants can process information in surprisingly complex ways. Scientists believe the electrical signals generated by hair touches serve as the plant's memory system. It's a reminder that intelligence in nature comes in many unexpected forms, even from a silent plant hunting with patience and logic. The zombie snail is infected by a parasite that turns its eye stalks into pulsating, caterpillar-like shapes. This lures birds to eat it, spreading the parasite further. This eerie transformation is caused by a parasitic flatworm called Leucochloridium paradoxum. Once inside a snail, the parasite travels to the eye stalks and swells them up, turning them into brightly colored, pulsating tubes. These fake caterpillars twitch and glow in daylight, making the snail an irresistible target for birds. The infected snail also loses its natural instinct to hide in the shade. Instead, it crawls out into the open, further increasing its chances of being seen and eaten. When a bird bites the snail's eye stalks, it ingests the parasite. Inside the bird, Leucochloridium completes the next stage of its life cycle. Eventually, the parasite's eggs are passed through the bird's droppings, which snails later eat, starting the cycle all over again. This mind-controlling parasite turns the snail into a helpless puppet, all in the name of reproduction. It's one of the most bizarre and chilling examples of parasitic manipulation in nature. Nature can be beautiful, but also disturbingly clever.